So hi guys, everyone creating for YouTube channels. So finally we can sending for end screen option. What is end screen? Nothing but like, share and subscribe and bell icon. So the video we can selecting option will be in the YouTube channel. How it is making for end screen on the particular YouTube channel video purpose? Simple here. First of all, download this video. First of all, how we can download this video? Before why, we have to press for SS option. Any YouTube will be download this video. Before YouTube, why before? We can enter for SS option. Just click for enter. This is a simple step. We can download this video. After download this video, we can using for your channel subscriber purpose. We can using for channel subscriber purpose. Now it is they're showing for the language. Here will be downloaded by this option. After download this video, option, here is the option will be here. Click for download. Download will be finished. After download this option, we have to open for the canva.com website. Any YouTube related options we can making for Canva. Selecting for YouTube thumbnail option. Why YouTube video will be 1280 by 720 pixel we can use. Or else go to video option. The option will be YouTube introduction here. This also will be there. In this purpose, I'm selecting for in this home page recommended. Selecting for YouTube thumbnail. Where you can download this option. First of all, go to download here. Upload this option. Simple. Upload it here. Check this one. Every music will be ready. Only option will be changed in this particular. Here all option will be ready. This option will be here. Just we can go over, click for this option. We can go for any option will be here. This we can use the ear also and header also. Anything will be possible. Now we can go for it. Can show something in this. Here will be used. Two icons will be available. Like, share. Here will be showing for subscribe. Click for bell icon. Download. This will be video format. Download this here. I am showing for two formats. How we can download this first and the second one. We can download by in this option. We have to open this video here first. Everything will be ready in a particular option. Is the first video and the second video. What we can download here. This will be second video will be download this option. Subscribe, like, share and Digital Rakesh channel. This is a very simple we can design by the end screen for subscribable title. So in this purpose, mouse click green screen option will be compulsory need use. So here, what are the options are here? N number of videos are there. They use these videos. Just use the screen, subscribe, click for bell icon and show your particular channel. Number of options are here. Which is your suitable option? We can use the particular. These are all the complete screens. Here will be there. Just open your particular green option. Just here. Here click the showing option. Finally, you can click for subscribe your channel option. Here one more video is there. You can use this option. So this is where you can use and start by your particular option. So this all will be coming to the particular video will be making purpose. We can download these videos. For purpose of subscribe your channel, we have to show by in this purpose is a bell icon. Simple, we can download this video, use for Canva to make it. Simple here. First of all, download purpose we can use option. Why before SS option we can use. Here will be download option. Video was downloaded. Go for it. Select by YouTube thumbnail. Upload. We have to use a simple options. select it, subscribe, add your bell icon, done your task. Or else you can use this option. First email you can make and download by the screen. This will be totally for 7 seconds we can using for end screen YouTube subscriber purpose. Use this option. We can making for YouTube video end screen option on the particular YouTube channel videos.